Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create before and after video editing using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app, and then I'm going to click on new. Okay, and then I'm going to add my before and after video or footages for my editing. This is after I edit my video, and this is before I edit the video. And I'm just going to select both of them like this. Click on the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to switch the position. Okay, I'm going to place you here. All right, and then I'm going to make the original video as an overlay. So I'm gonna tap on that, and then we're going to scroll all the way to the right, and then until we find the switch menu. Okay, good. And then now it's time to add mask to this project. I'm going to add mask to the original video. I'm just going to go to the mask option. I'm going to use this mask option to create before and after effect. I'm going to select mask, and then we can choose this type of the mask. Okay, like this. And wait, I'm going to rotate the mask. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to use keyframe to adjust the video or the before and after effect. Okay, I'm going to click on the keyframe, and then I'm gonna go to the end part of this video, and I'm going to add keyframe again. And then I'm going to go back to the mask, and I'm going to create something like this. Wait. Okay. I'm just going to create something like this. Alright, and then I'm going to I'm going to continue. Okay, then I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, you can customize the keyframe according to your needs guys. You can customize it as you like, and for me, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create before and after video editing on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!